Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to talk about when your computer tells you your indexing is off. Let me press my Windows key, type in, I'm just going to type in like I'm typing in indexing options. And if I go all the way down to the bottom, if you're a screen reader user, it will say search indexing was turned off, turn indexing back on. And you can't do this through indexing options, but you do want to have your computer indexed. If you open that and it says you have, 57 or 100 and something, you need to adjust it. And typically, if you do Alt-M to modify, you're going to notice that your Windows is actually unchecked. Go ahead and check that. But today's lesson is how do we get that indexing back on? Let me show you how. And I'm just going to show you the fastest way. There's always a longer way. Windows R, we love Windows R, our run dialog box. And you're going to type in services.msc. That easy, services.msc. Okay? And you're going to hit enter on that. And here we go. The fastest way to do this is just Control F and type in Windows Service. I don't type the whole word, so I'm just going to do a Control F. And I love that. Okay, tab over or click on the middle of your screen. And if your mouse is set up when you're a screen reader user, you can do a caps lock 8 and immediately go there. And then I'm going to just type in Windows and search. Yes, you can't do that. You just got to type in Windows. I know better than that. And then you're gonna just down arrow until you find your Windows search right here. Ta-da! Okay, and you want to go ahead and hit enter on that, or just double click and open. And mine's set to automatic now, but I did not apply it just so I could actually show you all these steps. And then you're going to restart your computer. So it's probably like on automatic delayed, or it's manual, or it's actually disabled. So you want to click on automatic because you want those to go ahead and be automatic. And then you want to apply that, and which is just tab down to apply. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and click run. Service status is running now. And I don't know, updates knock this out. You'll set it up, it'll work great, and then you're going to get it again. And just know computer updates do change things. Yeah, don't we love that? It is what it is. Go ahead and click OK on that. And then, of course, restart your computer. Actually, I might just restart the service. And it rebuilds it, service control, and it completely rebuilds. And then, yeah, you can stop it also, but you really don't want to, because when you press that Windows key, you want it to go ahead and instantly find anything. If you're having any other issues, this is pretty much the brains of your computer. So what I will tell you is be very careful what you change in here, because of course you can kill things. We can also see what things are set on manual and what things are set on automatic. So if you're having other issues, just take a quick look through here. And of course, screen readers up and down arrow. And that's how you actually change this. Now, I can't do anything about this right now because I don't want to be restarting my computer. It says turn indexing back on. It's because I've got to restart my computer. And if I do that, I'll lose you. But anyway, that was the end of the video anyway. And hope that helps. And we'll see you in the next Tech Vision lesson.